Child-friendly Panchayat? What is this, Baba?
I have seen that board before. Now let's find out what it means.
Jyoti, Sachin, Iqbal, Radha, come fast. Sarpanch Kaka wants you to meet guests from the nearby village.
Guests? Let's go find out.
Hurry, hurry, let's go fast. Come on, let's go fast. Guests from nearby village have come. Let's go and meet them now. Hurry, hurry, let's go fast. Come on, let's go fast. Guests from nearby village have come. Let's go and meet them now.
Ah, here they are, Jyoti and her friends. Children, our village is gaining popularity all over Maharashtra.
Really, Sarpanch Kaka? How's that?
Yes, people are intrigued by the child-friendly Gram Panchayat board they saw on their way and want to know more about it.
Oh, wow, Kaka. Tell us, how can we help?
Let me introduce you all. Children, please meet Vitthal Uncle, Ganesh and Usha. And they are Jyoti, Prerak, Prerika, Iqbal, Sachin and Radha.
Nice meeting all of you. You know, we are eager to hear more about the child-friendly Gram Panchayat. Child-friendly Panchayat means a Gram Panchayat wherein villagers and children themselves are aware of and sensitive towards child rights. Every child has the opportunity to be a part of the decision-making process in matters concerning their lives. Gram Panchayat and all village-level institutions assess issues and needs of women and children, develop an action plan and implement it. Gram Panchayat adopts and endorses children's right to survival, development, protection and participation.
Do you know? Our constitution has transferred 29 subjects to panchayats, out of which 11 are directly linked to women and children, such as education, clean drinking water, health, etc.
Sarpanch Kaka, it's a great concept. But how did you make your panchayat child-friendly?
It's very simple. We started with a participatory planning process based on which a village development plan was prepared. We evaluate the achievements against our plans on a regular basis and then decide the way forward.
This plan focuses on women and child development, including health, nutrition, education, safety, water and sanitation, hygiene, and addresses issues like malnourishment, child labor, child marriage, school dropout, and so on. All activities don't need money, but everyone's support.
True. Women and children have many such issues for which additional funds are not required. Collective efforts and community mobilization is enough. For example, timely vaccination, building awareness in the community, proper functioning of institutions and periodic monitoring by Gram Panchayat, etc. But what is the role of children in all of this?
Children are an integral part of the decision-making process. For this, platforms like Bal Sabha and Bal Panchayat are formed. Bal Sabha, a platform of all children, is similar to the Gram Sabha, and Bal Panchayat is a representative body like the Gram Panchayat. A Sarpanch, Up Sarpanch and other members equivalent to the number of members in Gram Panchayat are selected or elected by children in the age group 11 to 18 years. Bal Panchayat also forms 4 committees on education, health, nutrition and child protection.
Gram Panchayat selects Prerak and Prerika to mobilize children and facilitate Bal Sabha sessions. Okay, so what happens in Bal Sabha and Bal Panchayats?
Bal Sabha meets every Saturday or Sunday and discusses issues related to children with Prerak and Prerika. We also conduct sessions on child rights, government schemes, life skills and so on.
Not only this, Our Bal Panchayat and committees meet monthly to discuss our issues and make an official record of the same.
Similarly, women also meet every month to discuss their issues. The critical issues which need action are taken to the Gram Sabha via the Mahila Sabha. Self-help groups and elected women representatives lead this.
So, what happens to the issues identified and discussed in Bal Sabha and Bal Panchayat? Our Bal Panchayat members take the issues to the Gram Sabha and the Gram Panchayat meetings, and the Gram Panchayat takes necessary action. So, how do we know if Gram Panchayat has become child friendly?
Being child friendly is a continuous process, but if you are able to solve the issues identified in the micro planning process and create a safe and enabling environment for children, you are on the right track towards being a child friendly panchayat. Come, let us all join our hands together and make every Gram Panchayat child friendly.
We will also make our Gram Panchayat child friendly.
Let's not stop, let's go fast. We gotta ride and we'll have a blast. Let's have a ride and we'll have a blast. Let's not stop, let's go fast.
Let us pledge. We stand for every child and make every panchayat in India a safe, protective and enabling space for women and children.